walked upon the waters, and he healed both sick and blind. And he raised the dead to live again, and he always was so kind, was so kind. They took the one that loved them, and they mocked and cursed his name. But little did they understand that he would bear the shame. You think they love and praise him for the good things he had done, but they yelled, "Crucify, crucify this one." They beat him for no reason, and they plucked out half his beard, and they sent him down that lonely road, for his powers they all feared, they all feared. And at the top of Calvary they laughed, both great and small. And the Lord said, "No one takes my life, I lay it down, a gift for all." That love and praise him for the good things he had done, but they took him out and they crucified the Son. By his death he saved us, and he freed us from all sin. And in his words he tells us he'll be coming back again, coming back.